Bismillah. Let's be honest, failure hurts. It shakes you, not just your plans, but your confidence. You start questioning yourself. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe Allah doesn't want this for me. You scroll through others' wins, and suddenly your heart feels smaller. But here's the truth, failure doesn't define your worth, it refines it. Allah never measures you by how many times you fall. He measures you by what you do after. Because every setback carries a divine invitation. Will you come back to me? When you fail, you're not being punished, you're being redirected. You're being shown where your reliance slipped from Allah to your own effort. And once you realize that, rebuilding your self-worth becomes an act of iman. Here's how to shift your mindset the Islamic way. 1. See failure as a mirror, not a verdict. It's not the end, it's feedback. It reflects what needs growth, not what makes you unworthy. Even the best believers stumbled, but they stood again with Tawbah and Tawakkul. Separate your results from your identity. You didn't fail as a person, a plan failed. A product failed. A season failed. But you're still the servant of Ar-Rahman, loved and seen by him. Return to Allah, not your doubts. When the world says, you're done, Allah says, my mercy is greater. Pray 2 rak'ah. Make dua from your heart. Reconnect your purpose to Him. That's where true confidence begins again. Failure in Islam isn't a fall, it's a call. A call to realign, to trust, to rebuild with faith instead of fear. So if you've stumbled lately, pause. Breathe. Say Alhamdulillah. Because this moment might just be the start of your most barakah-filled comeback.